Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1601st edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. This is Oscar Carboni bringing you this 1601st installment of these educational videos. Please know that futures trading is extremely risky, causes substantial financial loss, is not suitable for all traders. Please know that if you do not have the risk capital to lose, you should not be in this game. Always use stops, place them first. No, they don't always work, but yes, they will save you in just about any occasion that I've witnessed myself. Use your stops. Crazy game, lots of volatility. Let's move forward. So, NASDAQ daily bar. Oscarism F flag says buy a deep dip in the NASDAQ for trading Sunday, Monday. That is 4-3. This says 3-4, but that wouldn't make any sense, right? This is 4-3, April 3rd, 2017. So for April 3rd, 2017, that's Sunday, Monday, we are going to negate anything bearish about the NASDAQ. We're going to negate the OMNI and go with the Oscarism known as an F flag, which is what you are seeing right here. This is your F flag. Let me just highlight this, make it yellow, make no mistake. Of course, it's easy to see, but this is the Oscarism known as the F flag, and if we get this right, the market should hold and rally out of this F flag to our projection. So the Omni is going to start off in NASDAQ for trading on 4-3, buying the dips and hoping the Oscarism known as the F flag holds true to form. So that's what we're looking at for trading in the NASDAQ. So we've got to call this buy the dips, green Omni. Although if you did the Omni, it probably wouldn't be pointing up on this day. But the F flag is strong, and we will be looking to buy dips inside the F flag. So that's one of the first charts I wanted to show you. Sorry, my apologies for doing another one of these desktop shoots for you. I did page both of my editors all day today. The boys who filmed me, none of them were able to get back in touch with me. So it's just me and you tonight, kids. Get used to it. All right, so here we are. Let's move along. Let's go to another chart now. I believe that's number 12. And that's the crude oil traders, the daily crude. 200 bar moving average sits right here. Crude oil looks like it wants to continue to be a buyer of dips ever since it broke out of another Oscarism known as an F flag, but this is an inverse F flag. It's inverse of the one I just showed you in yellow on the NASDAQ. Well, this one in green on the crude oil that we're looking at is different. So we're looking at crude, and what I wanted to show you is the F flag here did work for quite some time, but then we broke out of the F flag, as you see inside this green channel. We broke out of it and have taken off ever since. So can we move higher? Sure, you could get at least to the 200 bar moving average, at least. And as day traders, this would make a pretty good trade for tomorrow, right? That's a nice up bar. So we don't know what will happen for sure, but we certainly have a green Omni for crude oil trading tomorrow. And let's see, maybe it'll get right past this 200 bar moving average and just keep on moving. One day at a time. Here's where we are now. We're expecting this tomorrow, and that will be in your crude oil, of course, for trading on Sunday night through Monday's session. And let's move along. Another chart I'd like to present you with is the gold. Traders, I showed you this in a video on Thursday and said, look, see this average right here, this green average? The gold dropped through it, rallied up through it, but failed right near it, and in this triangle, failing again. However, that was Thursday into Friday, old news. I say now we remove this triangle out of the way, and we say, you know what? Before we say we're going to fail at that average, let's consider this is a very nice looking flag. You know, a little bit unorthodox, but a flag exists here. Let's say that this flag will best the average unless it doesn't. And once it doesn't, then we'll say, okay, you know what? that isn't working. It's not besting the average. The average is the thing working, and we can follow the gold back down. But while you've got this bull flag, and while you tend to be racing up towards this average once again, like you did here, we hit it, but we didn't just drop away. Now that's what's different, traders. Look here. You got near the average, and you dropped away quickly, right? Look over here. You got near the average and dropped away quickly. Look at that tremendous bar right there. Okay, same thing here if you ask me on this other one. You got, look at the tremendous bar, and you got away from the average quickly, like here, quickly, like here, quickly, not here. We're hanging around. All right, then that morphs into a bull flag, so I'm going to label this bull flag until it's not. And a flag is a flag is a flag until it's not. So we're going to label this a bull flag, and we're going to say that for now, this is a bull flag. I don't like things to be sloppy. I'm sorry. We got to clean that up a little bit. Then make that a little smaller. There'll be no box around it. It'll look just beautiful. There you go. So let's label this a bull flag. Let's say the gold makes a run towards the upside for trading Sunday through Monday. If that doesn't happen, we'll figure it out. Traders, come visit me at livewithoscar.com. Come join me at my OMNI camp. The seats are going. I believe we are actually down to only one seat. This says 2, but the person I spoke to today likely qualifies. So I do believe that we are actually down to 1 seat at OMNI camp, and it's only 5 weeks away. If you want to come out to OMNI camp, you better fill out your applications. But we're not done. Don't run away just yet. Check this out, kids. Watch this. Look at this chart. For my stock fans out there, check this out, kids. You're going to love it. All right, so for my stock fans out there, this is Apple. Let's make it a little smaller at first. Look at the size of this channel it's been in, and look how long it's been in that channel. It goes even deeper than that. Channel is what we're looking at right now. So the blue channel, look at how long Apple has been inside this blue channel so far. Wonderful. We got the nice blue channel. Let's blow this up now and look at that bull flag. Let's blow that up a little more. That, my friends, is a bull flag. So we've got a bull flag in Apple. How goes Apple? How goes the stock market is what they usually say. So if Apple is bullish, we've got a target of 148 to 149. Here is your targeted area. That's for Apple, traders. I suggest you give it a look for yourselves and see if you like the formation that OMNI is playing here. Traders, come on down to livewithoscar.com. Make sure you don't trade alone. I'm in a live chat room on microphone and camera, and I am there to help teach you about these markets, teach you analysis, and keep you in check during these rough and tumble days. Lots of volatility lately. All right, traders, so remember, keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do, in my opinion, to keep those emotions at bay is say this to yourselves every morning, afternoon, and every evening. And by now, you should know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.